Meaning of increase.
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 Increase. The word increase refers to a rise in quantity, number, size, or degree of something. It can be used to describe growth, expansion, or improvement in various contexts. For example, an increase in sales refers to the growth in revenue generated from the sale of products or services. Similarly, an increase in temperature describes the rise in temperature. An increase in productivity refers to the improvement in efficiency and output of a work team or business. Overall, the word increase describes a positive change in a particular aspect and is indicative of progress.